Most people think their Nintendo eShop gift card is broken when it stops working, but here's the truth no one tells you. In most cases, the card is completely fine. The real issue is usually a small setup mistake, region mismatch, or system glitch that can be fixed in minutes. In this video you'll learn exactly why your Nintendo eShop gift card is not working in 2026, the real reasons behind the error, and step-by-step fixes so you can redeem your funds without frustration. Let's get straight into it. First, understand how it works. A gift card for the Nintendo eShop is tied directly to your account region and console settings on Nintendo. If anything in that setup does not match, the code can fail, even if it is valid. Now here's the biggest mistake people make. They try to redeem the card without checking their Nintendo account region. If your account is set to the US but your gift card is from another region, the system will reject it instantly. Alex ran into this issue where everything looked correct, but the region mismatch blocked the code completely. So the first fix is simple, but very important. Always check your Nintendo account country before entering the code. But here's where it gets interesting. Another major issue is incorrect code entry. These codes are long and easy to misread. One wrong character, like confusing 0 with O or 1 with I, will cause an invalid or not working error. The system does not guess. It simply rejects the code. So re-enter the code slowly. If it is digital, copy and paste carefully without extra spaces. If it is a physical card, scratch gently and double-check each character under good lighting. Now here's another problem most people miss. You might be trying to redeem the code in the wrong place. The Nintendo eShop has different sections for balance, subscriptions, and content purchases. If you are not inside the correct redeem code section, it will fail. So always go directly to the redeem code option inside the eShop menu. Now here's where it gets interesting again. Sometimes the issue is not you at all. Nintendo servers can temporarily delay or reject redemptions during high traffic periods, especially during game launches or sales. In that case, waiting 10 to 20 minutes and trying again often fixes the issue automatically. But here's the problem. Even when everything is correct, system cache or console glitches can still block redemption. So the next fix is simple. Restart your console completely. If that does not work, log out of your Nintendo account and log back in. This refreshes your session and clears hidden errors. Now let's talk about another hidden issue. Parental controls or account restrictions can block eShop purchases without clear warnings. If your account has restrictions enabled, the gift card may appear not to work even though it is valid. So always check your account settings if nothing else works. If all steps fail, the final solution is contacting Nintendo support with your code and account details. In most cases, they can verify and fix the issue quickly. So here's the simple summary. Most issues come from region mismatch, wrong code entry, incorrect redemption steps, console glitches, or account restrictions. And once you fix these, your Nintendo eShop gift card usually works instantly. If this helped you solve your issue, like the video, drop a comment with your problem, and subscribe for more simple gaming guides that save you time and frustration.